How to make a public Snapchat account. So if you want to make a public Snapchat account, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. And now after opening your Snapchat account, now you can go to the left corner, upper left corner, which has your profile icon. And after opening your profile, now if you scroll down here, you will have create public profile on the middle of your screen. You can simply tap on that. And then now on the bottom you will have continue. Tap on continue and then again tap on get started, and now you can simply go and tap on the create, and that's it. Now you have created your public profile. You can simply tap on my public profile and now you will have your profile here. So that's it. That's how you create your Snapchat public account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.